And through this year we all shall be together, if the fates allow. Hello and merry festivities, you crafty pals. Thanks for joining me today. Well, even if there is more than one fate, it doesn't matter because one holds all of the power this season and it will go unnamed. But that doesn't stop me from finding inspiration in the murky abyss that is still 2020 to make a dry humored Christmas tree dangly.
After all that, and I left the tag on Frosty.
And a whole new meaning to the word hindsight. Now, quick disclaimer, kudos to the totally anonymous colleague of mine that gave me this brilliant idea. You are a genius. Cue cheesy jingle. Enjoy.
Strolling past this poinsettia. Ooh, a sacrificial limb worthy of my cause. Dry that slowly over a couple of days, and when it looks all raisiny, you know that all the moisture is out and it's ready to seal with an adhesive. In my opinion, Mod Podge. Ensure that you have it completely covered. It doesn't hurt to double up the layers in between drying. You don't want the resin to seep into the organic material. Sealing ensures that your petals will stay nice and vibrant. On to mixing the first layer of resin. The resin I have here is called Color Pour. The working time is about 30 minutes. Do as I say, not as I do. I should be wearing gloves here. I'm such a bad influence. Now I've got this Color Pour Christmas mold that I purchased from Michael's for your satisfying unboxing delight. I chose the BAUBLE one, mostly because I like to say bauble. Pop on to canva.com because it's free and create your own cheeky slogan, and then get a laser print of different sizes to play around with. A nail file smooths off those edges beautifully, and with a little fairy dust from the pixie ghost of Christmas present, look at that, I filed it down to size. Actually, I just changed my mind. Seal that too. Both sides. I don't know what resin does to unsealed paper, but I'm not taking any chances. Can't have too much gold. Gonna line the circumference with glitter. Another layer of resin. The sealed poinsettia petal goes in first. Print comes after, and more resin on that. Once that is cured, another layer. Get rid of the bubbles with the torch lighter. A liberal amount of glitter for the background, and again another batch of resin. All of these layers give more dimension. And the anticipated moment we've been waiting for, a stellar reveal. Or is it a poetic tragedy that perfectly epitomizes the year that we will never forget?
Oh no!
Oh! Well, I destroyed it. Well, color pour, this is your brand of resin and your brand of mold. Not looking good for you right now.
But nothing a little sandpaper and more resin can't fix. So be happy and be healthy, friends. I hope you enjoyed. And have yourself a merry lockdown Christmas now.